Regular physical activity is fun and healthy, and increasingly more people are starting to become more active every day. Being more active is very safe for most people. However, some people should check with their doctor before they start becoming much more physically active. If you are planning to become much more physically active than you are now, start by answering the 7 questions in the next slides. Common sense is your best guide when you answer these questions in Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire or PARQ and U. So please read the questions carefully and answer each one honestly. 1. Has your doctor ever said that you have a heart condition and that you should only do physical activity recommended by a doctor? 2. Do you feel pain in your chest when you do physical activity? 3. In the past month, have you had chest pain when you were not doing physical activity? 4. Do you lose your balance because of dizziness, or do you ever lose consciousness? 5. Do you have a bone or joint problem that could be made worse by a change in your physical activity? 6. Is your doctor currently prescribing drugs, for example, water pills, for your blood pressure or heart condition? 7. Do you know of any other reason why you should not do physical activity? If you answer yes to one or more questions, talk with your doctor by phone in person before you start becoming much more physically active or before you have a fitness appraisal. Tell your doctor about the PARQ and which questions you answered yes. If your answer is no to all questions and answered it honestly, you can be reasonably sure that you can start becoming much more physically active. Begin slowly and build up gradually. This is the safest and easiest way to go, remember. If you are not feeling well because of a temporary illness such as a cold or a fever, wait until you feel better, and always remember, if your health changes then you answer yes to any of the following questions. Tell your fitness or health professional, ask whether you should change your physical activity plan. In the previous lesson, we learned that physical fitness is the ability to perform one's tasks efficiently without undue fatigue, but with extra reserve in case of emergency, or in short it is the ability to carry out tasks without undue fatigue. It is achieved through proper nutrition, moderate or vigorous exercises or physical activity, and sufficient rest. Physical fitness is divided into 2 components. That is the health-related fitness or HRF that composed body composition, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and cardiovascular endurance, which was introduced in the previous lesson. The other component of physical fitness is the skill-related fitness or SRF that includes power, agility, balance, coordination, speed and reaction time. First example of SRF is power. It is maximum of force as fast as possible or the ability to use muscle strength quickly. It is a combination of strength and speed for a movement to be explosive or full of force. Jumping with weights or throwing weights such as long jump and throws are the examples. Agility is the ability of the individual to shift or change direction or position of the body from one point to another with quickness and lightness of movement. It requires quick reflexes, coordination, balance, speed, and correct response to changing situations. Almost all of the team sports requires you to maintaining the said components. Balance is our ability to move efficiently every day, requires control of the body's postural alignment. In other words, it is a state of equilibrium or stability. You need strong balance to move efficiently. Walk in a line, heel to toe is a good example of balance. Factors that affects balance are eyes, iris, and nervous system. Next is coordination. The ability to use different parts of the body together smoothly and efficiently. It is the integration with hand or foot movements with the input of senses. This usually consists of upper and lower body movements being performed at the same time. Speed is the ability to move the body in one direction as fast as possible, how fast you can do a specific task. Reaction time. It is important in many sports and day-to-day activities. This is the amount of time it takes to respond to a stimulus or How quickly an individual responds to stimuli. Now that you are familiar in SRF, it is important that you know the benefits of physical fitness, such as weight management, improve your ability to do daily activities and prevent falls, increase your chances of living longer and reduce your health risk. Planning an exercise program is key in promoting and maintaining good health. A range of physical exercises and the amount of time each exercise should be performed tailored to individuals' needs. Here are the points to keep in mind in designing an exercise program. 1. Set a goal or aim. 2. Have your MHR and THR be checked. 3. Apply the principles. And 4. Create exercise log. Principles of fitness training are the rules to follow which describe how the body responds to the physiological stress of physical activity. These principles provide the conceptual provision for safe and effective physical program design. Overload specify that you must perform physical exercises than the normal amount to get an improvement in physical fitness and health benefits. Specificity indicates that you have a specific energy system and specific muscle group of them to improve. Progression indicates that load could be increased gradually over time to remain effective and safe for best result. Week by week the overload should be adjusted until the desired fitness is attained. Variation maintains individuals' interest and provide a change of pace while making progress towards the desired goal. And recovery, the body needs time to adapt to the demands based on it. Incorporating time to rest into the fitness program aids the body in this effort. Remember this: every time you work out, you strengthen your body. Every time you don't, you weaken it. Now you have learned the lesson. The physical fitness test will be administered to you. Use your physical fitness scorecard. All of the skill-related fitness test will be completed by you. Instructions on how to complete the test will be given during the session.